Hi, everyone, and welcome to WTCA TV, where we're coming to you today live from the 54th Annual WTCA Global Business Forum here in Bengaluru, India. I'm Barb Mitchell, joining you again, and I'm very excited to have Padma with me, who's a local resident of Bengaluru and has Bengaluru and has so many things to share with us. Tell us about yourself.
Yeah, this is Padma here, Bob. So it's exciting and I'm amazing here to be with WTC and with a live interview here. And my company name is Maclogs Private Limited. So as I said, it's Manufacturing Cloud Global Solutions and we are into SAP IT solutions. So the main motto of this company is that we are getting a lot of women from the rural of India and training them. So it's not like rural, I'm like bringing the people who is having a break in the career, or they've done a graduation but they have not worked any time, but they have an ambition to do a work. So that is my motto behind my company. So this is about Maclogs, and more of SAP IT solutions for the manufacturing industries.
Amazing.
So digital manufacturing, IoT stuff, and many other stuff. Yeah.
And you're doing such great work for just in general. We were speaking a little bit over the course of the last few days, just about the importance of women supporting women in business on a global scale. And you're doing a lot of that. Can you talk about that?
Of course. So I myself, having 20 years of IT experience, I worked for several industries like SAP. I'm an ex-SAP employee, and I worked for Cargill, I worked for Tata. So after having a lot of experience for many manufacturing industries and MNCs, so at some point of time, I felt like I have to give back something to the universe back. Yeah. So I thought let me bring some women who are having a break, or they're desiring to work and they have ambition to show the talent because they have done graduation. They are so talented in the schools and academics, but they never got a chance to be there at the career because they had some situation where the parents get their marriage done and they could not survive in the future career. So I'm just putting motivation on them and then bringing them, training them in the Maclogs, and then I'm shadowing with some of the projects which is running in our company, and they're doing really excellent job. I mean, they're working for some of the US clients, I mean, with the CIOs, CEOs, and honestly doing excellent jobs. So I want to bring this women force in all the manufacturing industries, that too digitally. And also, I want to say that when a woman can drive a home, juggle between the kids, the family, and a lot of people around, why can't they do it at the industry? Am I right?
Yeah, no, I agree. Yeah, so important. I'd love to hear you talking about that. And it's just as we think about, the importance of the workforce to the development of economies around the world, women are such a key part of that.
Exactly.
And supporting other women as they nurture that journey.
Actually.
It's important, yeah.
Actually. And to be honest, see, I've done my engineering with computer science. I did my master's in networks, and I did my management course in IIM, so Indian Institute of Management in Bengaluru. So after having this set of high qualification and meeting a lot of industry people, and also connecting to a lot of industry and MNCs, somewhere I felt like actually I'm wasting my knowledge and the power what I have, or the experience what I bring to the world. So it's not only India actually. I love to help women who are overall there across the India, across the country, to support them and guide them, motivate them to, bring a lot of things to the industries as a woman.
100%. Yeah. And so let's talk about the Global Business Forum that we're taking part in this week. How does it feel to have all of these people descend on your hometown?
That's great. Actually, after coming here, I think I met a lot of people from all over the world. I met people from WTCA of France, Philadelphia, Portugal, and then even US and Miami. And I think Vietnam, and a lot of countries, actually, they're really very, very warm people. And they're very supportive, including you, actually. I feel like everybody is supporting women. In fact, they want this women empowerment. And I think the globe is supporting us. It's a sisterhood, I can see.
I definitely
so
agree.
We do have to do something to our own women. That's what I feel. So after coming here, it is a great experience that everybody wants to support. And they actually told me a lot of events, and I mean, soon after we have this International Women's Day down the line in the next week. So
Right,
everybody
yes.
was inviting, and they said like, you have to come out and bring this thing globally, so we can definitely help you out.
What's the date of that? International Women's Day?
8th.
Next week, yes,
Yeah.
right? So that's, yeah. I was trying to think what day it is now, but yeah, it's next week. That's a
Yeah.
very important global
It's important,
day.
actually. I think many more women's, maybe I'm just doing a bit of it to this world, actually, but I think many more women like us has to drive this and get the talent of women out to the world.
Yeah.
And yeah, definitely we should do more.
Agreed, yeah. So, as you've been having conversations over the course of this past week, have you had the opportunity, I know, just thinking about your involvement with WTCA, what sort of opportunities have come about for you with that?
Yeah, actually, many people said like they have their own products actually in their country, and they want us to drive that locally or maybe internationally as well. And also, some of the people were so much excited to know about the ERPs of SAP, what we can support to their manufacturing industries. So I do had a lot of conversation with many people. Actually, it was great impact. So there's a lot of opportunities opening up globally. I'm happy
And what
about
do
it.
you hope people take away from this week when everyone goes home to their respective countries? What do you hope they take away to remember about you and your organization and about India?
I want to say my all women who are resting their careers on me that, hey, see here, we have a lot of things and a lot of opportunities opening up globally, and I want you to be ready for that.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Brace themselves, right?
Yeah, great. Yeah.
Any final words you want to share?
Yes, of course. So actually, what I say is like I want to tell to every woman out of there, and every woman who is very successful in the country or in the world, please come out and do a bit to the other women's, and we can definitely drive the nation together. And it's a sisterhood. Let's drive it together, and success to all of us.
Yeah, I love that. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. I'm
Thank you
so
so
glad
much,
we were
Bob.
able to have this
Yeah,
conversation.
it was a great conversation with you.
Yeah.
I love it actually.
Yeah, I love it as
Thank
well.
you so much.
Thank you.
And it's a pleasure to talk here and share my experience and also my viewpoint towards the women empowerment. Thank you so much for having me here.
100%. I'm proud to have this message shared with our audience.
Thank you so much.
And thank you to our viewers for tuning in to WTCA TV, coming to you live from Bengaluru, India. Until next time.